This morning, we realized our refrigerator door wasn't closing. This is an LG refrigerator with a front door on it that's separate from the other doors so you can get to your drinks and things. And it just doesn't close. So I want to take you through this repair process. It'll only take you a couple minutes to fix it, but I wanted to show you how I kind of troubleshot it and then got to the piece and repaired it. Just something easy so you don't have to call a repairman. When you open the door here, there's this plate and there's no apparent ways to see any screws or anything like that. So I went online and looked up the parts diagram for this to see how it was assembled to help me figure out how to disassemble it. I'll show you that. So here I'm at appliancepros.com and I put in my model number for my particular refrigerator, which you guys can see right up here. And then I found the door diagram and I see that the door has this plate and then two screws and then the latch assembly. So that plate is just somehow stuck on there. So I'm going to go in here, stick this up in between, move it back and forth. And I already had this loose. I'm just showing you guys. And it's got some tape on it. You can hear it snap off, and that's what the back looks like. It's taped on, so it's pretty easy to get off if you take your time. So now we'll take this latch out. There's two screws. There's one here and one here. And then we'll get on to the countertop here and show you what's going on. All right. Well, this is going to be an easy one because once we get this latch out, I set it on the countertop, and you can see right here there's a little spring. Okay, and that little spring attaches right here to this component right there, and the end of that spring is just snapped off. So I'm going to pop this off here. Kind of doing this with one hand right now, so I'm sure it'll be a fight, but you can see that spring. One side's got a round loop on it, the other side's broke off. You can probably go buy one of these springs somewhere. It might be a little difficult to find one this small. But what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to just stretch one coil of that string out and make another loop. All right, I use these small needle nose pliers and bent a new circle at the end of the spring, a new loop, and now we'll put that together. Okay, now just to test this out, the way this latch works is the door latch comes in from the side here, it pushes in. You can hear it click and it stays. And then when you press the button on the door, it actually pushes this little lever in right here. So if I press that, it should open. And it does. So now we've just repaired the latch mechanism. All we have to do now is put it back in the fridge. I'm not going to show that. Obviously you got this far. You can handle that on your own. So hopefully this helps and good luck.
If you're enjoying this content, please like and subscribe. I'd appreciate it. Thank you.